Hey guys, are you ready to kickstart your fitness journey and take charge of your health? If you're a man over 40 and feeling a bit lost, don't worry, I've got your back. I'll guide you through a step-by-step process to achieve weight management and an improved metabolism, leading to better health and conditioning. Let's get started. Step 1. Set clear goals. Begin by setting specific and achievable fitness goals. Whether it's shedding a few pounds, gaining muscle, or improving overall stamina, clarity is essential. This will help you stay focused and motivated throughout the journey. Step 2. Create a balanced nutrition plan. Your diet plays a crucial role in weight management and metabolism. Opt for a balanced approach, incorporating lean proteins, whole grains, healthy fats, and plenty of fruits and vegetables. Say no to crash diets and embrace a sustainable eating pattern. Step 3. Stay hydrated. Don't underestimate the power of water. Staying hydrated helps your body function optimally and aids in digestion. Aim for at least 8 to 10 glasses of water per day to support your metabolism and overall well-being. Step 4. Exercise regularly. Combine cardio and strength training exercises to supercharge your metabolism. Aim for at least 150 minutes of moderate intensity aerobic activity or 75 minutes of vigorous intensity activity per week, alongside muscle strengthening activities on 2 or more days a week. Step 5. Get enough sleep. Sleep is essential for recovery and overall health. Ensure you get 7-9 hours of quality sleep each night. It not only aids in weight management, but also enhances your metabolism and boosts energy levels. Step 6. Manage stress. Stress can hinder your weight management efforts and slow down your metabolism. Incorporate stress reduction techniques like meditation, yoga, or spending time in nature to keep your mind and body balanced. Step 7. Stay consistent and patient. Rome wasn't built in a day, and neither will your fitness transformation. Be patient with yourself and remember that progress takes time. Stay consistent with your healthy habits and don't let minor setbacks discourage you. Step 8. Track your progress. Keep a fitness journal or use smartphone apps to track your progress. Document your workouts, nutrition, and how you feel each day. Celebrate your achievements, both big and small, to stay motivated. Step 9. Seek professional advice. If you're unsure about supplements or where to start, consult with a qualified fitness trainer or nutritionist. They can tailor a plan specifically for you, taking into account your goals and unique needs. Step 10. Stay positive and encourage yourself. Remember, your fitness journey is about self-improvement and well-being. Embrace a positive mindset and don't be too hard on yourself. Celebrate your successes and use any setbacks as learning opportunities. You've got this, my friend. By following these steps and embracing a healthy lifestyle, you'll not only achieve weight management and an improved metabolism, but also experience a significant positive impact on your health and conditioning. Stay motivated, stay consistent, and enjoy the journey to becoming a healthier and fitter version of yourself. The time is now.